Hi guys, welcome to a second video on my channel. We did two, yes! Now we just have to take it from here. So if you watched the first one, welcome back. If you haven't watched the first one, go back and watch it. I worked really hard on that. Please. Anyway, welcome back to a second video. It's a good start. We are doing a video a month. Even I can't fail that. Is it a month? Close enough, actually. Close enough. Let's just continue with this one. This video is not going to be a tutorial, but it's going kind of to feel like one long commercial. It's not sponsored, but it's about a place I love to visit twice a year in Stockholm, Sweden. They have something called the Sewing and Craftsmanship Fair, and it's a lot of vendors that do different types of crafts or sewing that meets together under the same roof to share their work, to sell some goodies, or to just teach you how to do stuff. This video is going to be a mess. Like the first video, we're going to keep the chaos theme a little bit throughout this channel, and it's fine. We're gonna be fine. We're all gonna be fine. Don't worry about it. This video is 3 years in the making, so I have visited more than 3 different sewing festivals, and I have done some snippets of filming on each festival. The reason why is because when the festival is, or the fair is, the vendors are not always the same. If my clothes change, if my nail polish change, if the dates change during this video, you'll know why. All the vendors I'm going to show in this video have consented to me filming, so don't worry, and I'm gonna do my very best to show as little faces as possible because it's a big thing. It's gonna be a lot of people, and I know everyone visiting there did not sign up to be on my YouTube channel with my 3 subscribers! Thank you, people I know in person. For the latest snippets I filmed, I had brought a 9-year-old and a 11-year-old with me to the Sewing Festival, and you might think when you watch some of the clips in this video like, ugh, that has nothing to do with alternative fashion, Vilse. Keep in mind, when it comes to alternative fashion, we can start quite young, and even though something I think now that I am an adult is like, oh my god, this is so childish, the children will love it! Well, anyway, I'm not gonna waffle on for too much, so enjoy the little trip to the Sewing Festival. I'm not really one of those people who like to show off to other people what I buy, because it feels, I don't know, like, do you want to know what I purchase for myself? I don't know, that sounds weird, and yet at the same time, I love watching videos on YouTube about other people purchasing stuff and being like, oh my god, look at this top, and I'll be like, it's gorgeous, baby, it's gonna look so well on you. Anyway, it feels awkward doing it towards others, but I have to show you this thing. So I do a lot of sewing myself, like my own clothes, sometimes. And something I do love, it's putting eyelets in and putting ribbons in the eyelets to create kind of a corset feeling. But to put the eyelets in, I have to punch a hole, I have to hammer the eyelets in, and it's echoing throughout the whole house, which, I don't know, it takes forever, it takes so much energy from me. So something I've always wanted to have, and I managed to find on this Sewing and Crafting Festival, is this big boy! So this is a certain type of press, I think you could say. It looks more heavy than it is because it's made of aluminum. And the vendor that was from klurig.se, go check them out, not sponsored. He told me that this one is made out of aluminum, while the other ones usually cast iron. And the ones in cast iron, they usually break quicker and more often than the ones in aluminum. So this is the good version, and it's really lightweight. So what does this do? Well, you put a little mouthpiece here, and you put a little mouthpiece here, let's say for an eyelet, and then you just go, and then the eyelet is where it's supposed to be. Perfect every time. The person from klurig.se, he had like a little tutorial with me. He was so happy to show me how it worked, and I'm so thankful for that. He really took the time to make sure I knew how it was going to work before he sold it to me. But I'm so excited I finally have one. They came in different colors, but they only had green, red, and blue and black at the fair, so I bought a blue one. If I could pick color, maybe a yellow would have been, you know, matching my eyes. But I'm super happy with it, and mwah, it's gonna do wonders. Also, you can like switch the mouthpieces to make it work for buttons. It can work for studs. So whatever you want to have on your clothing, but you don't want to like hammer for a gazillion years, get one of these. I hope there will be more videos. I'm not sure when next will be up, because me procrastinating and also working more than 100% makes it a little bit difficult. But I am ready to put in the work as well as I possibly can, and soon I'm off to a trip, and maybe we can do a bit of a travel vlog perhaps. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I am still like pretty green and pretty new in this whole YouTube thing, but at the same time I think it's so fun. And when I'm sitting at work, and I work a lot, I think a lot about YouTube, how fun I think this is to do. Making a tutorial, it was kind of difficult for me because it's so many steps, and I understand that I'm not the best teacher, but I still really want to make this work. So I'm just gonna try to find my thing, and we'll take it from there. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you liked this video, like and subscribe. If you didn't, I can't do anything about it. Thank you at least for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye! 1, 2, 3, we're recording. Hi guys!